Thank you very much, Kayla, for that update. Now, patients no longer have to travel far for a particular type of heart procedure. Baptist Health's Fort Smith Hospital says it now offers transcatheter aortic valve replacement, also known as TAVR. Now, one Fort Smith woman tells us this procedure has already saved her life, and KNWA's Brianna Moore has that story.
Whatever you want to do to keep me alive, I don't care.
That is what Barbara Fraser told doctors after she suffered 2 cardiac arrests.
I died, and the paramedics at home in Van Buren and the firemen kept me alive.
While in the hospital, Fraser was diagnosed with aortic stenosis, a life-threatening disease that causes the heart to work harder, increasing the chance for cardiac arrest.
I didn't want to do nothing whenever I'm at home because I had no energy.
Doctors suggested Fraser receive the transcatheter aortic valve replacement procedure, which Baptist Health in Fort Smith began to offer earlier this year. Dr. Hussam Huamde performed the procedure Fraser says saved her life.
To me, it's very, very important because I wasn't ready to go. I had one more thing on my bucket list that I wanted to do.
Today, Fraser had the opportunity to sit down with the doctor who saved her life.
Oh, Miss Barbara, she knows. I tell her she's one of my patients that I look at, and every time I think about her, I was like, this could not have been short of a miracle.
That was our Brianna Moore reporting. To read more about the procedure, you can go to our website, knwa.com. Happy she's still with us.